let's have a look at one of the new features that is in the new TRED GT and HTs, and that is our TRED Link. Now this is something that came about after years of attending four-wheel drive events and listening to four-wheel drive enthusiasts ask, are these boards able to be connected in a series? Now, the original product that we launched and the TRED Pro has that ability, but you need another apparatus to connect the two together. And what will also happen is you'll create a little bit of a transition point when you're linking the two boards together. So when we started designing this product, we wanted to incorporate the new feature in the TRED Link. Now let me just show you what that is. This is the ability to lay two boards in series and connect the shovel end or your exit point of your recovery device to the ramp end of the other board itself. And what that does is create one continuous series. It nests perfectly together. There's no transition point. It's a perfectly flat surface as it rolls through and out. Now, if you wanted a more positive connection, well, what we've done is we've actually added a couple of small holes here. So you can take a simple tent peg and put it through here like that. That will help you create a more positive connection. If, for instance, where you may have multiple vehicles passing through and you want to ensure that these boards aren't going to move or change, so you can actually do something like that to create that one complete surface if there are more than one vehicle going over it.